back to yet another mukbang. As you can see, I got in and out. I am house sitting for my friend, and so I decided to get in and out on the way up here. So, I felt like it was the brightest idea, but so I'm gonna tell you what I got. I got two here because I don't know why clearly gains. So this one is a double animal style. Extra whole grilled onions, extra tomatoes, extra pickles, protein style, so that means there's no bun. See? There's that. This one is a double single animal style, no lettuce, no tomatoes, with extra grilled, whole grilled onions, and extra toasted. This all came out to like $10 with the pink lemonade. They're the best pink lemonade there. Sometimes I get an Arnold Palmer, sometimes I'll get a lemonade, but on because your girl likes to get the most bang for her buck. I usually ask for no ice, and then I get home and I put it in ice. So that's what we're gonna do right now. How's everybody's day been? Today's been kind of interesting. The hot water just gave out at my house, so I couldn't take a shower, so I was a stank ass. And I don't know if I have a cold or if I have allergies, but something's going on with my nostrils and my all up in here. So this is really hella basic. Like, I don't even know I go to In-N-Out for this, but I think I go just for the freaking toasted buns. Oh, and if you hear like a whirling sound, it's the air conditioning. So yeah, let's dig in. This isn't as fresh as can possibly be because it's been like 15 minutes since I've had it. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this first so we can take advantage of the crispy or the crunchy bun. Did In-N-Out change their ketchup packets? Did they ever used to look like this? I'm gonna get fries today because that's doing the most. But your girl did get spread. Who likes spread? And does anybody know what spread really is? Because I'll tell you, it's not that much of a secret. It is Thousand Island dressing. Damn, that's a big ass chili. What the? Anyway, so let's dig in. What did you guys have for dinner? Yup. Forget. I'm gonna hang nails. Who does that? So, if you see me looking up there, I have TV on. Netflix. Ooh, shut up, that's spicy. Whoa. What the hell? I kind of wanted fries, but I knew it would have been too much. Like, I would have just hated myself by the end of this meal. There's already a lot of food. As you can tell, I don't think people normally eat 2 burgers. So, we're a double single means. Double meat, 1 cheese. That's it. That's some bomb pink lemonade. If I'm breathing hella loud, sorry, I apologize. It's because I'm like so stuffed up here and I don't understand why. You know what this is? It's a way fancier, much tastier version of a McDouble. honestly. Because my double has 2 cheese, yeah, 2 meats, 1 cheese, and pickles. That's exactly what this has. Oh, but it doesn't have the spread or the deliciousness of the bun. I really don't understand why I ordered this, but I had it one time, and like seriously, there's days where I just like can't stop thinking about it. I'm supposed to be eating better. I have a wedding on Saturday. And here I am eating 2 burgers. Alright, tomorrow jumping back on the wagon. Or if you see a little dog walking by, there's 2 dogs here. Hi. That's seriously the best part. All the juices at the bottom of the burger. 1 burger down. 1 monster to go. Look at this beast. It just looks like a salad. The only thing about here's my thing with protein style. Yeah, healthy. Save your ass some carbs. But it's wet. Like the burger becomes wet. The lettuce is wet. Tomatoes wet. 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 Oh, hi, Poppos. See, so like it's like wet under here. I think I'm gonna have to eat with a napkin under it. It's just all bad. So that's my only problem whenever I eat these things. Hi! Are you guys hungry? You can see them walking by. See? Over there. Are you hungry? Staring at me. Like I'm supposed to feed her. I wonder if she has been fed. Oy. These little chilies are so spicy. What the? Right, here it goes. In and out, mukbang, yeah. Whew. Oh, did I finish it? Yeah. Let's get another one. You can also, you know what? You can also ask them to do chopped chilies in your burger. Whoa. But my cousin who used to work there said it's a pain in the ass. So I don't like being that mean. I just make my burgers all super extra already. Don't need to add chopped freaking chilies in it where I can just bite it. Yeah. I really don't know how people just like In-N-Out. Like, it's just so fresh. Everything's crisp. Meat's juicy. Great customer service, always. Friendly staff. You know why they're friendly? Because they get paid. Let's be honest here. They're not on that McDonald's wage. They're on that good In-N-Out wage. Hmm. Oh, down my shirt. The only problem with protein stuff is, see, it's like all wet. Anyways, so let me touch base on how I've been. Like I said, in my last mukbang, my sister, I've lost 50 pounds and I'm eating. I don't know if I ever mentioned it. I don't know anymore. But I had thyroid cancer. So that was really messing with my metabolism. That controls your metabolism. So there was that issue. I gained a bunch of weight post surgery. And you basically aren't back to normal until they get your medication right. Meaning your levels have like normal, your levels have normaled out. Is that right? Your levels have normaled out? You know, I guess so. Your levels have normaled out. And so they're still working on mine, but it has gotten a lot better. They're also treating me for pre-diabetes because apparently my blood sugar is high. And then so with a combination of that and exercise and watching what I eat, not like this. Oh, but to be honest, I've had In-N-Out since, you know, it's not 2 burgers, so yeah, I usually go to the gym. I'm gonna be honest, twice a week, and then, but I'm there for like an hour and a half. I mean, that's not. I'm not like beating myself. I do beat myself up about that because it's only twice a week, but it's better than before when I didn't do shit. You know, and I do go ham. I do make sure my time in there is worth it. This is almost not worth getting. It's seriously a mess. So, yeah. So since my levels have been a little bit better, like I said, diet and exercise, cut out soda. For the longest, I wasn't drinking any juice and other things like that. Don't really drink coffee too much. So there's also that. Yeah. I think I'm not gonna eat this anymore. Literally, it's just a mess. Those are the same. I'm done. I don't think I can. So, yeah. Basically a whole lot better. I feel a lot better. That's the most important thing. My energy is better. Energy levels are better. for a while. My mom was sleeping next to me, so she made sure I was sleeping with my CPAP mask on. So I do have sleep apnea because duh, I'm overweight. It's like those go hand in hand. But honestly, I haven't been sleeping with it as often. It's so uncomfortable. I know. I was doing really good for a while. I'm gonna get back on it once I can start breathing again. It sucks ass not being able to breathe and then be forced to breathe. Take a breath. Where's my little receipt? Well, it's dead. I didn't finish these, so I got through 2. I got 3 ketchup left. So yeah, and just being aware of what I'm eating. I'm not even gonna lie, like I've had moments where I've broken down and I've cried because I really wanted to eat something and I know I shouldn't. It's been really hard for me to say no to friends so they'll be like, eat. Go out and eat. But I am a lot happier now. I really am. I've learned to take more time for myself and put myself first and take care of me. So if that means my friend wants me to come over at 7, but I told myself I was going to the gym, I tell them, hey, you gotta wait, I'm going to the gym. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. I try not to let things derail me as far as going to the gym. I make sure I'm in gym clothes on the days that I plan on going to the gym. I've also scheduled it into my calendar when I'm going to the gym. Meal-wise, I always make sure I have a snack or something healthy nearby. Or else if not, then that's when I gravitate towards like, I don't know, junk food or bag of chips or, you know, going through the drive-thru. Again, I haven't eaten completely perfect. I've still had chips, I've had pizza, I've had burgers, I've had sushi, French fries. I'm pretty sure if I would have been a little bit more strict, I would have lost more, but at the same time, I think if I would have been too strict, I might have quit by now. And I'm not gonna lie, I've been pretty lenient on what I've been eating lately. I wasn't feeling well a couple of weeks ago, so I thought it was my blood sugar, so I was eating more. And then also there was a point where like I plateaued, so because I wasn't eating enough calories, and I was like, geez, really? Like I just cut down all these calories out of my diet, and then all of a sudden I had to incorporate like 200 more just to lose weight. But that's how your body works. You gotta make sure you eat just the minimal amount, at least the minimal amount, you know, of what your body needs to sustain itself on a daily basis doing your daily activities. And then on the days that you work out, you gotta give a little bit more. You gotta be able to burn, give it something to burn so your body doesn't think it's starving. So yeah, I'm on this road. I plan on continuing this weight loss. These mukbangs are gonna be random, and it's probably when I'm gonna splurge or if I've been really good. My goal when I lose 60, which is 10 pounds away, is to I'm gonna go eat all you can eat sushi, and then when I lose 100, I'm gonna go. I know it sounds what is it? I'm like, I can't think of the word. It's not conducive. Yeah, not conducive to my success by celebrating with food. But you know what? That's what I want to do. Sometimes I buy myself something, but usually it's like, all right, you can go have a burger today, which, like I said, it's not the best. Oops. So yeah, that's been pretty much it. That's been what's up. I can gladly say that I'm still cancer free. Woo! With my type of cancer, the likability to get rid of it, or the probability to get rid of it, is You know, it's very easy to remove the cancer, you know, get your life moving. But then there's also um, the fact that just because you got rid of it doesn't mean you're clear forever. Like, you know, some people go into remission and that means they're cleared. No, mine forever and ever and ever till the last day on earth for me. I will always have the chance of getting the cancer again. So I always have to go for scans. So I'm clear of cancer. It's been 2 years now. Still pushing strong. Here's my little bracelet I wear. It's for thyroid cancer. See, there's purple, not the LGBTQ one. There's purple, pink, and teal. So yeah, I wear that. And my sister has one, you know, for my thyroid cancer. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching another one of my mukbangs. Mukbangers. Nobody calls it that. Mukbang. Can somebody like sound off below? Is it mukbang? 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 Muk? Everybody says it differently, but I have a feeling it's mukbang. I could be wrong. Who knows? Alright guys, well, thanks again, and we'll see you next time. Peace.